Hi everyone, welcome to Mohansh Technologies. We are going to be starting a new batch for blockchain Web3 JS 45 days online training program. And this blockchain Web3 JS is having a huge in demand and emerging technology. Even colleges, PGs, lot of MS related kind of things. Blockchain Web3 is a highly demanding technology, which is like a cryptocurrency. You know that. So regular financing is going on, bankings and all, phone pay transactions, this kind of thing. Somewhere this going to be a struck, or somewhere this going to be freeze. But blockchain is going to be a different kind of technology, which is having a ledgers, which is having the chain kind of transactions. So all the transactions could be stored in the each and every user. Okay, so that is a different concept. Later, we will try to explore about the what is blockchain kind of things in the coming videos. And this particular 45 days online training program, I want to explore today. So how this training program will go, and this is only online program. We are going to be dedicating online program 45 days content that we are going to be delivering to you. So the next week one, foundations and setup, introduction to blockchain history, decentralization concept, and immutability concept. We will try to explore it. And day two, we are going to be working on cryptography basics and hashing, public private keys, signatures kind of thing. And day three, we are going to be working on distributed ledgers. So how this distributed ledger is going to be creating with, and what are the concepts of the distributed ledger and consequences, mechanisms like PWO, POS, PBPFT. And the next day four, we are working on blockchain architectures like Bitcoin versus Ethereum versus layer 2s. So the Bitcoin is the first blockchain thing. So after that, Ethereum is came into the picture, and there are different updations are coming with the blockchain kind of things. So here we have the Bitcoin versus Ethereum versus layer 2s. That is a very fundamental and important concept. And day five, we work with the nodes, peers, clients, and the network structure. Every concept is important, every connection is important. How the nodes are going to be preparing, how the peers are going to be preparing, how the clients are going to be generating, and how the network structure will be. So each and every point in detail we will explore it. And day six, we will be working on wallets, addresses, gas concept, and transaction and anatomy. And day seven, we are working on development environment setup like node.js versus VS Code versus Ganache, MetaMask, all these things. And week two, we will be having Ethereum fundamentals like Web3 basics. Ethereum basics like accounts, EVM, gas, blocks, state, all the things. And day nine, we are working on introduction to Web3 JS and Ether.js. Day 10, we will work on JSON, RCP, providers, and nodes. Day 11, we are working on transactions with Web3 JS, send and sign. Send and sign. Day 12, we are working on accounts and key management and nomics and wallets. HD wallets. Okay. So day 13, we are working on events, logs in Ethereum. Day 14, we are working on debugging and analyzing transactions. And day 15, we are working on solidity introduction like syntax, types, visibility kind of things. Uh, Day 16, we are working with state variables, mapping, arrays, structs, and all. And day 17, we work on contract deployment flows. Day 18, we are working on function modifiers, access control events, and all. And day 19, we are working on error handling, require, asset revert, and all. Day 20, we are working on ERC standards overview. And day 21, we are working on unit testing and solidity contracts. Okay. And coming to the week four. Week four, we have the dApp development with the Web3 JS. So dApp nothing but decentralization application. Okay. And dApp architecture, front end, back end, smart contracts. So in the part of the front end, we are working on HTML, CSS, JavaScript kind of things. React, JS, Angular also can be involved in the part of the front end. In the back end, you'll be having the smart contract. How to build a smart contract? What is the architecture for that? We will explore it. And day 23, we are working with connecting MetaMask with dApp. And day 24, reading contract state from the front end. Day 25, writing transactions from the front end. So here, the communication is always basically from the front end to back end. From back end to front end to back end. Like web application, how web application can work, front end, back end communication, request response processes. The same way, you have the transactions here. Okay. So day 26, we will be having handling events in the front end. Day 27, we are working with IPFS, decentralized storage. Day 28, we are working on building a simple NFT mining D application. So 28 is important here. Building a simple mining D application. Day week 5 tokens, DEFI tooling, and day 29 we are working on ERC20 advanced patterns, allowance approvals transfers. 30 we are working on decentralized exchanges, AMM concepts, and day 31 we are working on liquidity pools, staking, yield farming. Day 32 we are working with oracles and off chain data and chain link. Day 33 we are working with stable coins and cross chain bridges. Day 34, we are working on gas optimization patterns, upgradability. Day 35, we are working on tooling overview, hard hat, truffle, Ganchi, Trendly. Okay. And finally, week 6, we are working on security auditing production concepts. And 36, we are working on smart contract security fundamentals, something like reintransitive overflows. And day 37, we are working on security testing tools, Mythux, Silter, Actunda. Day 38, we are working on formal verification basics, best practices. Day 39, secure key management wallets. Day 40, we are working on monitoring observability of contracts. 41, we are working on auditing process, checklists, remediation. Day 42, we are working on legal compliance, regulatory considerations. And week 7 is the last week, advanced topics on capstone project, like how you can build a project with a layer 2 scaling solutions, and roll-ups, side chains. 44, we are working on modular blockchain design, DA sequences, MEV basics. Day 45, we are working on capstone project like a D app development plan and final review. So end of the day, after 45 days, you will be the master from zero to hero in the blockchain concept. In the front end part, in the back end part, how to build a D application, a smart contract, how to build and how to develop the complete D app. We have to work on. So these particular 45 days training, the session may go 1.5 hours, 2 hours, something like that. Definitely, you will be the master in the 45 days only. But this is the online session. There is no offline session with the Mohansh Technologies. So we are the platform, starting with the online platform, online teaching, online training platform, and which is going to be a dedicating, each and every student need to get the job end of the day. So once you come to the Mohan's, then definitely you go with the job only. Even freshers, I'm talking about, even experienced person, somebody want to migrate with the new technologies and somebody want to replace the job and moving to the next level, that could be there. Okay. So we are going to be supporting to you end of the day with the different patterns. So Mohan's strategy is different. Mohan's features are different. Learning by workspace atmosphere learning, master skills with real time worker concepts and practical, still you become master. Real time coding challenges, 100% job placement assistance, 100% interview preparation with the coding challenges, and dedicated placement support till you land your job. So that is our agenda, and you be master within 45 days, damn sure it. Okay. So one more thing, one more point I want to show, how the blockchain market in the IT, so how the blockchain jobs are actually coming. So you search in the LinkedIn is the most demanding job portal and resume portal where you can search for the blockchain jobs. So I'm getting a huge number of openings, guys. Can you imagine? If you search for the blockchain is having the huge in demand in the LinkedIn, in even in the Naukri is also having a lot of job opportunities. So you can search for the 4 years of experience, thousands of jobs. Even for freshers also, blockchain recruitment is actually happening. Even for freshers also, blockchain recruitment is happening. So can you see, even for freshers, 0 to 2. And you search in the Indeed also, showing a number of opportunities for the blockchain. And you search in the Shine is also showing number of job opportunities. And you can search in the most demanding platform like Found It. Even Found It also, you will be having a huge number of job openings for the blockchain. So you come and learn, and get the job. That is our agenda. Okay, that is online sessions, 45 days dedicated online sessions. And one more thing, blockchain related videos in the Mohan's Technologies YouTube channel you will be finding. So you can get the Mohan's Technologies YouTube channel. Okay, just search for the Mohan's Technologies in YouTube channel and you will be getting the playlist for the blockchain. Other technologies also, other emerging technologies like quantum computing and SOC ethical hacking, and different kind of IAMs like PingFederate, CyberArk kind of things, and generative AI we will be having. Okay, so you will be just follow the YouTube channel, So please like the video, subscribe the channel, and give the comments. If you give the comments, that is a valuable things for us. And if you subscribe the channel, then only our videos will come to you. And if you click the bell icon, the notification will come to you. So that is a major pattern of the YouTube, right? So thanks a lot. And in the next class, I will explore what is blockchain and what is this Bitcoin concept and what is this Bitcoin and what is the D application. We will explore one by one, step by step. And this session is actually exclusively only content exploration. So I just want to tell you what Mohansh is going to be covering with the 45 days blockchain. That is what actually the today's agenda. Thank you. Thanks a lot. We'll meet again in the next class. See you signing off.